Good morning, guys. This is Wasim, Director of WLJ English classes. Welcome you all to attend this online classes during lockdown 2. Friends, our outgoing or everything has been locked down, but our study must not be locked down. So for continuing your education of the English language, I provide you some online classes. It's day 1, Basic English Grammar by Wasim sir, me. WLJ launches Let's Learn Alphabet, Word, Clause and Sentence. First of all, any language start from alphabet. Alphabet, it means a set of letters is called alphabet, but in English there are 26 letters. In other languages there is much confusion. If you go in Urdu, some writer describes the number of the letters 37, some describe 40, in the same English, Hindi 45, 37, like this. Many varieties of there. Many languages have the different letters, but English has only fixed 26 letters, in which there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Vowels A, E, I, O, U and rest 21 consonants. We can't frame any word or any name without vowel. However, we can frame some words like fry, dry, cry. These words we can frame without vowel. But in these words there are 2 semi-vowels. These 2 semi-vowels are W and Y. So neither any name or nor any word can be framed without W or Y. Why it is semi-vowel? Because sometimes it is pronounced as a vowel and sometimes it is pronounced as a consonant. Like water. So here W sound is wa. It's a consonant water. Slow. Here W sound is O, that is slow. It means here it is vowel. Young. Y sound is ya here. It means consonant. Journey. Here Y sound is I. That's why it is semi-vowel. So 5 vowels, 21 consonants, and out of 21 consonants, 2 semi-vowels W and Y. Now word. It is said that when we learn any language, only 2 things are required for learning the language. First, word meaning, and second is environment. Word plays the vital role. What is word? A group of meaningful letters is called word. When we make a group of letters, as 26 letters are there, when we combine it, set it, and it has a meaning, that is called word. As for example, mango. Mango means a name of fruit, it has a meaning. But when we write ognem doesn't have any word, it is not a word. Same book, book means kitab. When we write it ku ya boko, it has no meaning. So a word must have a meaning. In the same form, education, cauliflower, school, cat, pen, these are words. Sometimes it is asked to students, tell any word which contains all vowels. Students are confused. Education and cauliflowers, these 2 words are written which contain all 5 vowels, as for example A, E, I, O, U. So word is main part for framing sentences. So next is sentence. But before sentence, a part of sentence that is called clause. What is clause? A part of sentence which has one subject and verb or predicate is called clause. Clause is a part of sentence. In Hindi it is upvak. For example, you can't pass unless you work hard. In this there are 2 clauses. One clause you can't pass, second clause you work hard. Both are connected to unless. Unless is connected here, that is called conjunctions. It joins 2 clauses and make one sentence. So clauses are 2, but sentence is 1. This is called main clause and this is called subordinate clause. One sentence contains 1 clause, 2 clause and 3 clause also. Depends up to the use. So these 2 are the clauses. Second sentence, the patient had died before the doctor came. Here 2 sentence. Sentence is 1, clauses are 2. The patient had died and the doctor came. Both are connected to before. So before is connector conjunctions joining two clauses. The patient had died and the doctor came. Very popular example. डॉक्टर के आने से पहले रोगी मर चुका था. बचपन से since childhood we have been studying it. जो काम पहले खत्म होता है उसको past perfect में, जो काम बाद में खत्म होता है उसको past adequate में. Here the patient died, main clause, and the doctor came with the subordinate clause. So clause is a part of sentence. आइए finally sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is expression of thought, ideology, keeping our views, points on a topic. A group of meaningful words is called sentence. Words का एक group जिसका एक meaning है, that is sentence. Letters को जोड़ दे, that is word. और word को जोड़ दे, that is sentence. Example: the sun has rises in the east. In this word water, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Mango, 5 letters. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words are there to frame one sentence. So sentence can be framed of the 2 letters, sentence can be framed of 20 letters, depend up to the sense. Second, we learn English at WLJ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words. She spoke well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like stand up, come here, sit down. These 2 words are there. These sentences are there having only 2 words. Stand up, sit down. But this is a sentence. Sentence must have a sense or meaning. So guys, here the sentence contain only one clause. One clause sentence. These all examples are one clause sentence. But a sentence can be divided into many clauses. Sentence is very important to write any application, letter, essay, or to express anything. That's it in today's class. In next class, we will discuss about subjects, verbs, objects. Thank you.